So I'll ring the bell and let's get started. So let's settle into wherever we are and adjusting the position as you need to. Just noticing how you're arriving, letting the earth steady you, the ground, your cushion. And becoming aware of the body breathing. We're all breathing together here in our neighborhood, our city, our cities. And finding that dignity in the spine, adjusting, stretching the spine up to the sky and down to the earth. And sitting like a mountain. And letting the breath be like wind around the mountain. And today we're calling in the resource of our ancestors. Could be your transcestors, your queer ancestors. Maybe you know their faces or you don't. Maybe it's just an energy. Just taking your time and letting it be easy. Maybe you can imagine them around you, beside you, in front of you. Or behind you, whatever feels most supportive. And feeling their energy around you, in you. Notice what sensations arise. And remember to breathe. Maybe you want to breathe with them. And if you like, you don't have to imagining their hand or hands on your shoulders. And checking in how that feels in the body. And again, feeling into the spine, sitting in your dignity or laying down in your dignity. And once more, enjoying or being curious about your ancestors around you. And thanking them for surviving, and in your own way, saying goodbye for now. And returning slowly to the breath, to sounds, to this space and time, maybe with your kids or roommates or animals or other interesting noises. And touching down to the earth before we end. The earth who's holding us and who held all our ancestors. And I will ring the bell.